Now that our dough has been cooling for half an hour, it's time for the next step. I'm going to take the plain uncolored dough and start making 6-inch ropes out of it. It's very important to make sure that all of them are approximately the same size. So we're going to use a tablespoon measuring spoon. We're going to use about half of this, filling it with dough to get the amount that we need. So about this much. And we're going to have it on a floured surface. I've got a pastry board here, but you can certainly use a wooden cutting board as long as it has a smooth surface. And another easy way to create a surface to roll out your dough is by taping a piece of wax paper to your countertop so that it's protecting the countertop. Although this is only going to work for countertops that are nice and smooth. You can have a little bit of grout, but you don't want a tile countertop. So you can see this is about a 6-inch rope of plain dough, and we're going to use the rest of our dough to create more of these.